Indonesia, yes. As I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we have a special program with Smart FM, Smart Up Your Life, namely English discussion with English communities. And usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends or guests from a few communities in South Sulawesi or Makassar. Okay, hi guys. How are you? Okay, good, very well, great. Okay, but the main is the same, all the same. And of course, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I have an opening tasting for you guys at smart listeners and viewers at home. In 5.0 in digital era, we have a pressure, we have responsibility, and we have a culture of works, and of course, study about everything in our life to get the bright our future. But when we're talking about the culture of study and work, sometimes and oftenly everything is not balanced. Peoples in around the world, all of them or half of us sometimes they smart. They are not smart, but they work like very hard hostile culture. They are very very hard working. They are very hard study, but sometimes the result is nothing. So how could it be we can determine, we can guarantee, we can anticipation that our future is bright and our culture and our cultures of study and working is balanced. And of course we will talking about this way, this style, and our topic for this evening is study smart and work smart. Give it applause for us. Yeah, okay, before we are going to our topic for this evening, we want to invite one by one our friends to, of course, introduce themselves to smart viewers and listeners at home. Start from you, please introduce yourself. What is your meeting club? What about the schedule to smart viewers and listeners at home, please?
Okay, thank you for the nice opportunity. So I think this is my second time here as a one of member of Elliot's Letters. So Elliot's Letters is one of volunteer that appear in Makassar, and yeah, this is focusing on volunteer, and then we're not really have a specific time to doing our activity. So we're not really like have that specific time for that, like the other communities.
Yeah.
And then this community start in Alauddin Makassar. So if you guys want to know more about this community, please follow our Instagram,
Yes.
Elliot's Letters.
Wow, Elliot's letter. What about the time, the schedule, sorry?
It's not really have that specific time for the activity,
Okay.
but if we have like do you want to join this event or do you want to collab
Just
with us?
DM.
Yeah, DM.
Instagram.
Yeah. Or we find out the activity that we could do. Like searching about who need that, like a panti asuhan.
Oh, volunteering.
Yeah,
you means?
volunteering. If they need like need us to do something on that, we are ready to doing our activity.
Okay.
So we don't have really specific time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So how do we call you? Al?
So-
El?
Okay, you may call me Zahra.
Zahra. Oh,
Yeah.
not Al. No. Zahra. It's
Zahra.
different people, different.
Oh yeah,
It's
actually
different.
Al
Oh yeah, I
is
see.
from Equinza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. Zahra. Okay. Okay, next, what about you? Okay, could you introduce yourself
Okay.
to smart viewers and listeners at home, please?
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Zafiera Pawa, but you can call me Fiera.
Fiera.
And I'm represented from Hasanuddin English community. And I want to introduce my community.
Okay, please, come on.
My community is based on Hasanuddin the Hasanuddin University at IPTEX. If you want to know more about my community, you can check our Instagram. Regularly, my community is have programs on Wednesday at 4 p.m. and also from on Friday at 4 p.m. also.
Twice a week.
Yeah,
and everybody may join with your community.
Of course, yeah.
Free of charge?
It's free, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, welcome, Fiera.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome to our second home. Okay, next, what about you? Please introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. Please use your mic.
Okay. Thank you very much for the chance. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nurmila Sari, but you can call me Ila.
Hi, Ila.
Hi. And actually, it's the second time I'm in here.
Really?
Yes.
Not how to say, more than twice?
No.
This is the second.
In the second.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. And I am from Mabbicara community. And yeah.
Yeah, what about the schedule of Mabbicara community?
Right now, we don't have any specific schedule. It depends on our time. When we have a time for study together, we will make it.
Okay, for more detail about Mabbicara, what will we can how to say, searching maybe like Instagram or special hotline like number or something else.
Okay. If for your information, guys, if you want to follow Mabbicara Instagram, you can follow Mabbicara_community. And you know, right now we have
Yeah. Okay,
we have something new in Mabbicara because we will have Mabbicara cafe.
Ooh,
yes, we will have Mabbicara, and it's on process right now.
And do you need MC to launching?
Maybe yes, you will be. Yeah.
Cafe, right? Cafe.
Yeah, cafe, Mabbicara cafe. And what is the difference in Mabbicara cafe is you can join us and you will get something like what
new circle, new friends.
New circle, of course, and this English discussion and free, and
not
it's free.
Only English, yeah.
Not
because
only English.
Mabbicara is polyglot, right?
Yeah, polyglot right now, but we only present English.
Okay.
English
discussion.
English
discussion. Okay, thank you, Ila. Next, what about you? Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Okay, thank you very much for the chance.
Yes.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian.
Hi, Rian. Where are you from?
I'm from BPEC.
Mm-hmm.
BPEC is oldest community in Makassar.
Wow, yes.
And
what about the schedule?
The schedule is we have a meeting on Sunday morning at Fort Rotterdam.
Okay.
We start the meeting start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay. So it's all about free of charge?
Yeah, free of charge, of course.
Okay, thank you. Give a applause for us, guys. Okay, anyway, that's all our introduction. Okay, let's go talking about our topic for this evening. The topic is study smart, work smart. Okay, I'm gonna start from Fiera.
Okay.
What is your reaction when you first time got this topic?
This is an amazing topic for me because I'm still didn't know how to smart work study smart and work smart.
Yes.
But I think when the topic comes for me, I always think, oh, am I already implement study smart or
Mhm.
work smart in my life,
Mhm.
and it's such as interest for me.
Okay, so you are interested. You are very honest because you are still looking find your way
Yeah.
how to be smart
Study smart.
worker
Yeah,
and
yeah.
learner smart.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, keep your statement. I'm going to you. I move to you, Zahra. What is your reaction when you first time got this topic?
Okay, so I'd like to being honest here.
Mhm.
Actually, after knowing I have to going here
Mhm.
by my president, like, can you go here to do
Oh, so you
this?
are the second speaker. I mean, backup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, there is no one that
Mhm.
respond him to,
Mhm.
like, nobody have ready
Ready.
that. Yeah.
Yes.
So he sent me direct message,
Mhm.
and then, can you go here please for EL? And then, of course, yes, I do.
Mhm.
Even if I'm not, because honestly this topic represent myself, like,
Mhm.
I really don't know first if I'm a hard learner
Yeah.
or smart learner. So after getting this topic and then find out some article also about this really interesting for me, because I could know that, oh, ternyata
Uh, yes.
actually I'm a hard
Ah.
learner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
after find that, I think I'm a kind of like smart learner and a hard learner. But
Mhm.
mostly I'm a hard learner. So this is very interesting for me.
Uh-huh. Okay, so we call this PR. Okay, thank you, Zahra. Okay, move to you. What about you? What is your reaction when you got this for the first time? This topic.
Actually, yeah, this is my first time
Mhm.
to hear this topic. Oh, what work hard,
Study smart,
study
work smart.
study smart
Yes.
and work smart,
Uh-huh.
and I think it's interesting topic
Mm-hmm.
to discuss
Mm-hmm.
because we are in this
Mhm.
situation.
Because we are here in
We
Smart
are
FM.
here, yes. Work hard,
All of you guys
study
are
hard.
smart people because we are here in Smart FM.
Yeah, so
Okay, give me applause for Smart FM. Okay, so far, you are still maybe actually to this topic is relate or not or so. Are you still looking for it? Really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. By the way, what about you? What is your reaction or your
Okay.
opinion about our topic for this evening?
My reaction, like, yeah, I just know about this term because this topic is interesting to discuss
Yeah.
because we talk about work, study hard and work.
Yes.
Study smart and work smart.
Yes.
Like, this is new for me because, like, I'm
You just like doing normal style, normal way, normal situation.
normal study,
Yeah.
normal work.
Yeah, you don't have specifically way how to
Yeah.
smart work, how to study smart, something
Yeah,
like that, right?
I just know how to do this, how to learn this.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mm.
just
Go with the flow.
Yeah, just let it flow. And don't make an improvement.
So you need evaluation also,
Yeah,
right?
evaluation, homework.
Okay. Homework. Everybody have a homework, smart viewers, smart viewers and listeners at home. Okay, my second question before we are going to commercial break. Okay, my second question, maybe Ila. Yeah. Okay. How do you compare between the opposite this term? I mean, like between study hard and work. Study hard and study smart. How do you compare them?
okay, because right now actually I am study and work too,
Mm-hmm.
but not really work hard.
Okay.
But it will make me to I have to how to say set my time. How to say it?
Management, time management.
Management time, and I have to divide between my study and my work into two focus. So I have to most put my focus in one. You know, like I only focus on my study than my work, because I cannot like a multitasking person.
Yes.
It's really hard for me for doing like two kind of things in one time or same time.
Yeah, because it's simultaneous. I mean, like all of in one package, all of in one time, like something like that. So this is actually sometimes like make how to say, not efficient. Yeah, right. Not efficient. That's why you're attention, you're very focused with only one side, right? There.
Yeah, that's why it's we have to set our we have to set management time.
Time management.
Time management.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Vera? How do you compare between study hard and study smart?
I think when I study hard, I really same with Kaila said, really focus on one thing.
Are you still university students
yes,
right now?
I'm still in university. And I use I use too much energy when I study, and it's not efficient for me, I think. But I really want to study smart, because I think when I study smart, I have too much time to make anything that I maybe I can do in the same time. But and I realized that when I study smart, I can do anything. Then I'm sorry. And it's more effective and efficient at the same time. And what else? Yeah, and also when I study hard, it's really monotone, I think. Yeah, because
what is different actually? How looks like between study hard and study smart in your perspective?
Yeah, I think when we need to do
action simulation.
Yeah, we need to do.
Again,
that's I don't know how to say that. Yeah, we
repetition.
The same action, the same action at the same time. But when you do study smart, you can do anything. Yeah, and I mentioned before, I think. Yeah, okay,
you are very realistic. Okay, I move to you, Zahra. Okay, this scope is study, not working. Study first. How do you compare between study hard and study smart?
Okay, so in my perspective, how do I compare these two things? So in my perspective, like study hard is people who are put their self 100% on that things. People who put that their energy 100% on that without focusing on other things that they could do actually. And then about study smart, I think study smart is like people who always want to create a good habit, create an active learner routine. So that's it in my perspective.
Like you mean you put the schedule, I mean systematically, like management time, like Ila said, something like that, or something else.
Okay, so like I said before, before knowing this topic, I do research about this.
Yes.
I read some articles saying that smarter people to do a smart smart studying like that.
Yes.
They will put time management on that. But I'd say like people who are study hard also doing that. They put time management on that. But maybe they set time like I will study for 2 hours today. I will study for 6 hours a day or more than that. They put that time management. I will do this on 2 p.m. I will do this.
So, what is the point? Are they should make differentiate between which one I choose, which one is priority?
Okay, so I'll say the priority is work smart.
Oh yeah.
I mean study smart. Study smart.
Uh-huh.
Because like I said before, study hard is just like putting yourself 100% on that,
I
and then
imagine
doing
when you say pudding. Oh my god, it's nice, sweetest.
put for
Okay.
plus ing.
Okay.
Yeah, put plus
I think like a
ing.
cake pudding. Oh my god.
Putting
Sorry.
yourself putting yourself only one things, then you spend your day with that things.
Yeah.
Rather than smart
Study.
study smart. You could do more than one.
But you have to know which one is priority, right?
Yep.
Okay. If you know which one is priority, of course, absolutely, you are study smart, not
Yeah.
study hard. Because study hard, it's about your energy, your how to say time.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
like it's so long. It
Yeah.
takes so long, right?
Yeah,
If
they're
study
just like
hard.
let's follow the flow. I mean,
Yeah.
I want to do this. I will do this. Like no.
But not
Yeah.
efficient.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, before we continue our discussion for this evening, of course, we will be right back after this 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Tonight, yeah, we are back to our topic this evening. The topic is study smart, work smart. Okay, my previous question. Okay, you. Anyway, how do you compare between study hard and study smart?
Okay. Why I how do I compare compare that terms? Like, yeah, study hard is, yeah, how do you manage your time? Even you are so tired, you have to push yourself on that. That study hard.
Okay.
But study smart is more than that.
More than that,
Yeah.
like what?
We have to like have a new
Like fresh,
Yeah,
something new. Yeah.
make something new on that study.
And the most important is make efficient.
Yeah,
right?
make the efficient time.
Like maybe using technology like AI,
Yeah,
artificial
AI,
intelligence,
yes.
something like that. Technology. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my new question is about work. What about work hard and work
Okay.
smart? How do you compare?
Work hard.
Yes.
It's like study hard. Like you have to push yourself
Okay.
on that work.
And all day.
and all day. Yes. That's work hard.
But work smart.
Work
You don't
hard.
need.
No. Yeah, we have to push ourselves also. But there are a new thing in our.
But maybe in duration,
Yeah.
you don't need to work all the time.
Yeah.
Only a few times,
Yeah,
maybe a few
times.
hours, maybe.
Yeah, a few hours. And we have work smart is how to control ourselves. Like maybe our emotion is very high. We have to control that.
Like a pressure, how to we
Yeah.
control our emotion to resist.
Yeah, to resist.
With pressure,
Yeah.
with
Maybe-
stress.
Yeah, maybe our boss is pressure us.
Yeah.
we
Very
have to-
strict, something
very,
like
very
that.
strict.
Uh-huh.
Maybe our boss is mocking you.
Oh my god.
We-
Okay,
we
keep
have to control that.
Okay, keep your statement. Thank
Okay.
you, Rian. What about you? How do you compare between work smart, work hard and work smart?
Okay. Between work hard and work smart.
Yes.
In my opinion, people who in a work hard position, it's like no they don't care about rest.
Oh,
Rest.
yeah.
They
Like
don't.
workaholic, you mean?
Yes, like
Workaholic, but
uh,
not stopaholic.
like they don't really care about their self. They only focus on their goals.
Yeah.
Yes, they only focus on their goals. And people who study smart is can balance between their goals and their rest.
Okay.
Rest time.
In other words, people people work hard at sacrificing others, right? Sacrificing others, all of things they are put sacrificing, but smart worker is not. Isn't,
they can
right?
balance.
Okay, they can balance. Okay, thank you, Ila.
Thank you.
What about you? About the scope is about work. How do you compare between work hard and work smart?
I compare work hard is we take our energy, 100 energy when we working, maybe something like that. Yeah, it's when you need to have full energy to one thing, and yeah, that's the thing.
Full energy, like it seems like you want to concert.
Yes, maybe something like that. Yeah. But compare with study,
work.
no work.
The scope is work.
Works smart work.
Yeah.
Smart work.
And
Yeah,
smart hard.
you can make your position like you have a prioritize one thing that should you do first, and one thing that you need to take a little time for make it later.
Yeah. What about to-do list?
Oh, to-do list is such an important thing
Do
when
you?
when you have to work smart. I think because you know what should you do today and
Tomorrow?
no, yes,
After
today.
that.
Today, I mean today at the time, like you need to do after you eat, after you study. Yeah, something.
Yeah, they systematically
Yeah, it's
start from your wake up
Yeah,
until
yeah,
you
yeah,
sleep,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, to-do list.
To-do list.
Yeah,
I
something like that.
think, yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you? The scope is work, yeah, not study. Work. How do you compare between them? Work hard and work smart.
Okay, so how to in my perspective, how do I compare work hard and work
Yes.
smart?
Uh-huh.
So as a students, still, sometimes I found that people who want to, who always want to do that alone, like they don't want to getting disturbed by other people. They don't like noisy circle.
Oh my
They
God.
really
Geger, yeah, geger.
like they want to do that alone. They want to work hard on that things they are doing on that time. And then still it will sacrifice another
Things.
another work that they could do rather than work smart. Nah, talking about work smart here, it's like people who always want who knows how to do that alone and then how to do that with other people. People
Like you mean flexibility, adaptation,
yeah, right.
treatment, yeah. Okay.
But I'd say like people who always like by doing this, by finishing these things, it's not only about you will work hard on this by yourself. Sometimes we need other people to do that together.
Collaboration.
Collaboration, of course.
Gotong royong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotong royong. Yeah. So I think sometimes it could be like save more time, and then it's also effective, and then Also, you will also, I'd say like work smart is about learning how to learn.
Yeah.
It's like learning how to learn. Besides on that, we're learning on that.
We have to underline it. Learning.
Yeah.
Learning. Sorry.
Learning how to learn.
Learning how to learn.
Learn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So besides on that, besides we are learning, we also learn how to know other people. We know how to solve this problem, not only ourselves. Jadi so we always want to collaborate with other people because we want to know another perspective, and then it could be improve ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah,
Zahra. Okay, my next question is the question is what is consequence if the peoples cannot study smart and work smart? What is the consequence? Apa sih konsekuensinya, something like that? You know, you get the point, right? Yes. Okay. Ila, what is the consequence if the peoples in outside can't do this? Study smart and work smart.
They can't do this, like study smart and work smart.
Yes, what is the consequence?
They only like work hard and study hard. Okay. For me, the consequence, they will be more push themselves, like how to say, berlebihan, over study, over work is not good for ourselves, especially for our health. You know, like something that's the consequence.
You mean they force?
Yeah, they
force.
Yeah, they force
by doing
themselves.
over the time, over this the limit, over the stamina, and over everything is about over.
It's
and after that, game over. Dead. Because too tired, right?
Too tired. They will be it's too tired. They can balance between the study hard and smart.
And the scary is the scary is like sometimes they will be how to say in English, dead, something like that, dead, right? Mati gitu ya.
Die.
Itu die, sorry, something like that. Jadi itu konsekuensinya.
Yeah, they will be die.
Will be there. Oh my God. Oh God, no one. Okay, what about you? What is the consequence if the people can study smart and work smart?
Yeah. My opinion is they will be like they cannot,
like zombie.
No. they cannot balance their time. That's the consequence. Like they will not balance their time. They overreact. Overreact. Like do such as what they want to do to finish that. I mean to they do another way to like
how you like that?
What they want to do to finish this.
So
at the same
actually,
time.
the people like that, there is no final for them.
Yeah.
There is no final. It's always there is always continue. There is no final.
Yeah.
Right? And you know, in some countries, like they are like zombie.
Yeah.
When they work, seriously. Yeah. Because they
are like zombie, like because they
are crazy to working.
Yeah.
My God.
They overworking, overreact, like they have to push themselves.
And there is no bercanda.
Yeah.
Right?
Like
there is no bercanda. Okay.
That's no kidding.
No, thank you. Okay. What about you?
So
what is the consequence?
The consequence of what?
If the people doesn't have style to study smart and work smart.
Okay, so the consequence is like you will stay on that. You will push yourself over and you'll push yourself over and over. There's no improvement, and then you just like menyiksa.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like
like a force.
Yeah, you just force
Extra
yourself.
force.
Yeah, you just force yourself on that things. So the consequence is you may be get sick, and then you may like have no time for your family, for your friend, also for yourself,
and also mental illness.
Yeah, mental illness, because it's like just it's just like hustle culture.
Yes.
Yeah. And then as we know, hustle culture is not that good. Sometimes maybe it could be good for some people who are already like that. Like they love that money, they love that thing, so they will work hard on that. Maybe they have a goal like I will do this for my family, I will make a lot of money on this. But the consequence is like maybe you will get that money that much, but you have no time for your family. You have no time for holiday. You will just force yourself for that work.
And the final is useless. Is it?
Yeah, it could be useless. I cannot say that.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your perspective about my previous question?
The consequence of people who didn't know how to study smart and work smart, I think they will reach their goals, but it's too late for them, because for the people who are the same age with them is already get it at the time, get it for the first time, but they just stuck at the time. I mean, they still
there is no improvement.
There's no improvement, and they should run for that, while people at the same age with them just already get it and already like
Do not hesitate to say in bahasa. It's okay.
Already menikmati.
Enjoy
the goals, but they're still just like this.
Maybe they don't have a style to bercanda.
I think one thing that people who are who didn't get study smart or work smart is they always procrastinating, maybe.
menunda-nunda. Okay. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, my next question, is it class or a view? Okay, I don't know. Okay, maybe just prepare yourself, guys, to express your idea about the conclusion, your idioms, your vocabularies, your final words, final statement or wise word. Okay, start from you. What about your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, so I'd say like study smart and then work smart. So the conclusion is like, if you really love that things, you have to know the consequence also. You may get like a lot of things on that. Maybe sometimes this is just like people who work on that company. Maybe you will get that money that much, but please do care about your mental, and also people who is always doing that alone. Please improve yourself by advance your circle, advance your environment, learning how to socialize with other, and then it's not only yourself, you need other people to improve yourself. So please be kayak terbuka untuk
Open-minded.
Yeah, open-minded for other people to improve yourself. That's it.
Excellent. Okay, once again, guys, prepare your vocabularies, your idiom, your wise word, your final words, yeah, to close our conversation in the end, the minutes. Okay, what about you? What about your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
The conclusion for me is when you want to reach your goals, you must be a smart study and smart work, because it always depends on yourself, how you improve yourself and how your action today will change for your future. Yeah,
oh wow, thank you. Okay, what about you? Your conclusion?
Okay, my conclusion is between study hard and work, between study smart and
Work smart.
study smart and work smart.
Yes.
I mean, like, not study hard, study hard and work hard.
Work
It's
hard.
you have to balance between smart and hard,
Okay.
because work hard. It's not really bad also, because we have goals, and also study hard also. It's not really it's not bad. Overall, it's not bad.
Because all of them are complementary. Yeah, in bahasa
Yeah.
melengkapi satu sama lain.
Yeah, because
Yes.
we have our goals maybe that force us to work smart, work hard, and study hard. But you have to pay attention for yourself, especially for your health. And for work hard, we know that earn money is our goals.
Yeah.
People goals. Earn
Okay.
money is people goals, and be rich is people goals. But if you are rich and your body is sick, there
yeah.
is nothing. It's empty.
Okay.
So that's why you have to take care for yourself first than your goals. Not your goals, but your take care. Yeah, yourself first, then your goals.
Which one?
Yourself first. You have to be healthy first, then you're rich.
Of course.
Yeah,
So
that's
each
all.
other is need. I mean, the complementary is very important. Both them, all of them are need. Right? Okay. Once again, guys, prepare your wise word, your vocabularies, your idioms, your final statement to closing our meeting. Okay, next, continue. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay,
Rian.
my conclusion just simple. That's about talking about hard and smart. We have to combine them because they are complementary, like you said before. We have to have much time to combine two of them. And first we like our sister said before, we have to keep healthy. That's all.
Healthy inside, fresh
Yeah,
outside.
fresh
No,
outside.
okay. 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 Do you have some vocabularies or idioms, Brian?
I just have one vocabulary.
Okay.
For my
A
listener.
view, come on, not one. A view, come on. A few vocabularies relate our topic for this evening, like way, style, and everything.
Okay. Like I said in the first section, like a mocking.
Oh, what is that?
Mocking, like the meaning is mencaci maki.
Oh,
mocking.
yeah. What else? In other words.
And stubborn.
Stubborn.
Keras
Not.
kepala.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
stubborn. Okay.
Uh,
What about pekerja keras banget gitu? What about that?
Hard worker.
Stopaholic.
yeah,
stopaholic.
No,
Workaholic.
Workaholic.
Workaholic. Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
We are like to work harder
Uh,
than usual.
Okay, thank you.
That's
What about Ila? Do you have some vocabularies or maybe some idioms or? Okay, come on, force yourself.
I don't think so.
About some words relate our topic. Yeah, think smart. Think smart because we are here. It's Smartfm. Okay.
Actually, I have no idea. I just like want to say that you are really good to break the ice in this room.
Oh, okay. There is ice because I need.
It's mean you are really good mencairkan suasana.
Oh my god. Is it bercanda?
No, I'm sure.
And, is any final statement or wise word, pesan-pesan, wise words to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Just be healthy, guys.
Oh my god. healthy brand. Come on.
Don't force yourself too much.
Thank you. What about you? You have idioms or some vocabularies or?
Actually, I have nothing to say.
Oh my god. Like a song. I have nothing.
I should
Nothing.
say keep bricolage.
What is that? It sounds like breakaway.
Bricolage it means
Breakaway like this.
yeah, it's the similar thing with keep spirit. Keep spirit, yeah.
Yeah. Idioms.
Yeah, idioms.
What about some words relate with our topic? Like a force, like that.
Okay.
like what?
What? I think
A lot of words.
yeah, guys. Beside you.
Okay. Wise word. Wise sentence. Come on.
Beside your study hard or work hard, yeah, you need to balance yourself to smart, study smart and work smart and find yourself which one is better for your study, and yeah, you need to focus everything. So you
include your
your study, I mean.
Okay. Okay, thank you. What about you? Do you have some vocabularies or idiom or final words or wise word, final statement?
Okay, so I will just say because we are talking about work smart and study smart here. So the only thing that appear in my mind right now, because actually I've watched Maudi Ayunda's video. Yeah, I'd say just I don't think this is an idiom, but this is a new.
Is it your one of inspirational people? Is she?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, of course you don't know her.
I know. I know her.
Yeah, everyone know her.
We meet every day.
Okay, I believe that. Okay, so I will just say about hustle culture.
Okay.
Maybe some people who watch this or people in this room, they don't already know. They don't even know about hustle culture. Jadi hustle culture is about people who apa ya? People who just focus on their work without paying attention on their self. Yeah, they just work and work. So yeah, they just push their self for work without thinking about others, without thinking about any consequence. They just work. So I think I just want to share this. Maybe some people some people don't even know this apa ya, this new vocabulary.
Yes.
So yeah,
Hustle culture. And kung fu hustle.
Ya tulisannya hustle.
Yeah.
Hustle culture. Hustle culture.
You gotta mix it. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you Rian from BBC. Thank you Ila from Mabbicara. Thank you Fiera from Hack. Thank you Zahra from Elliot's Letter. Okay, thank you guys. That's all our conversation for this evening. I think you are keep spirit, keep healthy, smart viewers and listeners at home. As usually, don't forget always watching Smartfm 101.1 Smartfm the Spirit Indonesia, because our program is always at 7 p.m. at Tuesday. So see you next episode. Bye bye.